Songbird sings in dusky twilight, voice like an angel, pure delight. She doubts the glow she radiates, but her heart captivates. Hums a tune just like a dove, unsure of her own grace and love. In the quiet, she finds her peace, yet her doubts, they never cease. Oh, songbird, don't you see? You light the dark and set us free. With every note you fly so high, you're our star in our sky. Whisper full of soul, in your eyes the story's told. Let your doubts just fade away, you're the dawn of a new day. She hides her wings behind a veil, afraid her song might somehow fail. But we hear and we are moved in her voice, a life approved. Oh, songbird, don't you see? You light the dark and set us free. With every note